Hello everyone, here show you our very brief and fashion design and exquisite LED Keyring Light IQ8. Packaging box, main unit, charger, charging base, instruction manual, light hood, light tip, disposable isolation cover, rudder. Click on off button to power up. Ergonomically designed body, brief and exquisite. Metal head can be 360-degree rotation, curing without dead angle. In elective mode, press the MT button to adjust the working time. Turbo mode, high light intensity mode, light intensity at 2000. Curing time, 1 second, 3 seconds, suitable curing for orthodontic brackets, post-core, and porcelain veneer photosensitive adhesive. Long press MT button to switch mode. Full mode is suitable for conventional resin curing. Light intensity is stable at 1200, curing time, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. A conventional mode of light curing. Press the MT button again to switch to ramp progressive mode. In the first 5 seconds, the light intensity changes from 0 to 1200 and then stabilizes at 1200. Curing time, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. More suitable for children and people with sensitive teeth. Check is the caries detection mode. Detection time, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, used for detection of dental caries, tooth cracks, etc. Doctors no longer need to buy a caries detector separately. Let's see how 1 second light curing. Fill the resin into tooth mold. The resin is soft and elastic. Set mode to turbo. The curing time is set to 1 second. Start on. The resin has hardened in 1 second. Turbo mode, display light intensity 2000. Put the working head into the detection port. When light curing is started, it can be seen that the light corresponding to 2000 of the base is on, indicating that the light intensity of the current mode is 2000. In ramp mode, light intensity increases gradually and stabilizes at 1200. We see the base light jump from 1000 to 1200.